should think so.
Really?
There are ways.
But what would I have to do?
It's easy. Meet me outside Lowe's Theater this Saturday afternoon. I'll take you in. Unless there's something playing I've already seen. In that case, you're on your own.
Oh, this is your Aunt Tilly.
Thanks everyone. Hiya, Cosmo.
Hi, Don. I thought you weren't coming. What happened to your sleep?
Just my fans want my little piece of Don Lockwood. Listen, Cosmo. Am I a good actor?
As long as I work for Monumental, you're the greatest of them all.
No kidding, Cosmo. You're my pal. You can tell me.
What's wrong with you? Of course you're good.
Well, just keep reminding me from time to time. I'm feeling a little shaky.
Dawn.
Hello, RF.
This was Johnny. Where were you? I was lonely.
Hello, Lena.
Listen, there's a man been coming into my office for months, and he claims he can make talking pictures.
Why would you want a picture to talk?
Well, Warner Brothers are coming out with a whole talking picture. They're calling it the Jazz Singer.
It'll never amount to a thing.
Isn't that what they said about the horseless carriage?
Here you go, Aura.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here to honor the brightest stars of Monumental Pictures stages, Don Lockwood and Lena Lamont. It's for you two, a very special cake full of delicious surprises.
To tell you how much I enjoyed your performance.
Excuse me.
Don't go. Now that I know that you live in a cave, let me see you home.
Game anyway.
An actress on the legitimate stage. She could never learn anything from the movies.
Here's one thing I've learned from the movies.
Oh, Lena, I'm sorry.
Oh, gee, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Now, she
Lena, you never looked lovelier.
Where'd you go? You there, did you see one of those stage girls rush by?
Yes,